Here, Kate, go.
Natural. Wonderful day, got lots of candy. Walking. We're all on a sugar high. Welcome to our Saturday morning. It's a Mother's Day weekend. Olivia and I are heading out the door and we are on our way to pick up cousin Kate. You have the day with the boys. So enjoy.
We're gonna play.
We've got Kate, we've got Grandma, and Dad's not invited.
Well, that's okay. I'm gonna have fun today.
Okay, have fun. Bye.
Be safe.
We are at the Grand America, and we told them we're here for the Minky Couture party, and she said, oh, well, can't wait for you to see it. Do you see all the flowers out there? Mom. You would think we never see each other the way we react. I've been waiting for you to go through the door. It was a good idea to bring the little girls as our +1. We're waiting in line. I caught you. Are you playing? I don't know. My eyes. It's okay.
You can't mow the neighbor's lawn, Cody, and not get a little bit of a reward. So let's see, what flavors do they got? Mango, orange, twist, vanilla, chocolate.
What are you reading it?
See back there? All the flavors on the lines?
Oh, orange.
Okay,
Wait, what kind of juice, Boston? Orange.
I want to try yours. Let me see.
I got orange and mango.
Let's go.
I just got back from the Minky Gala, is what they were calling it, which that name fit the party perfectly. Now, I planned a Minky party. We had a Minky times Bali party that we were planning, and so I know that she has an amazing party planning team. She has an amazing team, period. And because of COVID, we weren't able to have our party. It got canceled. And so going into it, I knew it was going to be good, but this was good. And not only did they have, you know, an amazing candy table that I brought home, a bunch of candy for my kids. Not only did they have an awesome swag bag, not only did they send us home with a duffel bag with our name embroidered on it, with, oh, my color is gorgeous, a Minky blanket inside, and our +1s also went home with all of this stuff as well. They sent us home, oh, I don't have it in my hand, it's in my purse. They sent us home with a gift card. And she said, I know how much comfort our blankets can bring to people, especially people in need of comfort. And so we want you to take this card and we want you to give it to someone in need. And I thought that was so touching. And then they made a very special announcement. So Sandy, the owner, she is a wonderful woman. She announced her partnership with a hospital, a local hospital. She is partnering on the NICU. She donated $1 million to the NICU, and she also provides blankets to them. And when she announced it, it touched my heart so much, and I just was so impressed with how giving she is, and it just really shows her true character. And I love supporting companies that have really good people behind them, and so it made me really happy that I've been able to play this like minuscule little part in, you know, a part of their journey. I've appreciated how they've treated me personally, my whole family. we just love them so much. Okay, I feel like I was not able to capture the party though. Normally, like, I've got my camera out the whole time when I'm filming. I was having too much fun partying. I was laughing my head off with my group. Having my sisters and my mom and our +1s was truly so fun. The little girls, when they saw the candy table, were so excited. The dinner they served was absolutely fantastic. And obviously the candy. I mean, okay, so the party got over and they were playing the music. They had a really awesome DJ, and we were like dancing around the candy table, just like going crazy. In my head, I was like, I know I'm not gonna eat this, but it feels really fun just to like scoop up candy. And I'll tell you what felt really nice is, one, we were at the Grand America. It's my favorite hotel in Utah. Probably one of my favorite hotels ever. I love that place. The weather was warm. We were all dressed and ready, you know, to mingle. Nobody had to wear masks. Everybody seemed so happy. I got to meet the food nanny, which I love her. I have her cookbook. That was really fun. But I was also able to meet a few viewers, and I didn't even know they were viewers. So there's a member on their team that was talking to me, and I spoke with her. We kind of planned the Bali party with her, and she just told me, she said, I hope you keep doing what you're doing, because there are people like me that watch you and love you. And it made me emotional when we were there, because I'm not gonna lie, and this is natural for anyone, you doubt yourself. And sometimes when I pick up the camera, I'm just like, does anybody even care? Like, this feels just like, I don't know who I'm talking to. I don't know who I'm doing this for. And she just answered those little like doubts for me, and she just said, I'm watching and I care, and me and my husband love you. And I don't know why, it just felt really special. And then there was also a news team there tonight. Minky has been on the news a million times, and so they were there to support her. And the news +1 was like, I've been watching you forever, and we just were so giddy and happy. And I was just like, it's a party and we're having fun. And I don't know, it just felt really fun. And so we drove home, and my mom was talking to me about this product, and I was like, you are working with them? And I was so jealous. And she was like, you should help me film. And so we went back to my mom's house, and for like an hour, me and my mom filmed her brand deal, and it was so much fun. And I just thought, if this is my life, and it blows my mind. It blows my mind that I was even invited to something so great, that my mom and my sisters, they were invited to it. And I just really felt really blessed and just so grateful. And I don't want to say it too often, because I don't want it to be like mushy or whatever, but I do want to let you know that I do not take what I am able to do for granted. Joel and I talk about it every night. I think about how grateful I am for what I'm able to do every single day. Every single day, it blows my mind that this is what I get to do. And I just really want to tell you guys thank you. Thank you for when you see me and you say hi. Thanks for watching the videos, for clicking the like button, for commenting, all of those kinds of things. So I just want to say, even though Mother's Day is over, I'm going to say happy Mother's Day weekend. I still have tomorrow, but I want to close the vlog here and just say I love you, and just say thank you, and just, I don't know, I hope my happiness radiates into you today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye. Did I push kids out of the way to get the candy? I mean, I can't be sure, because I think I blacked out. I forgot to tell you one of my favorite parts of the evening. So we're all getting ready to leave. We were one of the like last people to leave the party. Guess we just wanted to keep partying. But Olivia, I heard her ask one of the Minky employees, she said, can you tell me where the owner is? And so I was like, Olivia, what are you doing? Where are you going? And they were and I turned around as they were escorting her to Sandy. And in my mind, I'm like, oh my gosh, what is Olivia doing? What is she gonna say? And they were like, this girl wants to see you, wants to talk to the owner. And Olivia goes, I just wanted to tell you, thank you so much for inviting me to this party, and I just really love your blankets. This was so wonderful. And at that point, Sandy looked at me and we made eye contact and I was like, oh, this is my daughter. And she was just like, yes. And she was like, I'm very impressed. Anyway, and I thought that was really funny. And I forgot to tell you guys, I do have a discount code for Minky. So if you guys are looking for a really soft, beautiful blanket, I have a 45% off discount code in the description for you guys. Okay, now I'm done. Bye.
Here, okay, go.
Natural. Wishful day, got lots of candy. Keep on walking. Roll on a sugar high. Okay, everyone just walk past Olivia. Yeah, just walk past her. It's so natural.
I feel like I was not able